Hello children, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. So, a very warm welcome to all of you in my phonics class. So children, till now we have learned the sounds of letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now, today we will learn some more letter sounds. So, get ready. So, the first letter is letter P. The name of the letter is P, and the sound of this letter is parrot. P, parrot. Yes, we have to touch our both lips and then blow hard. Parrot. Okay, children? The next letter is letter Q. The name of the letter is Q, and the sound of this letter is qua, qua, queen, qua, queen. Okay, now next letter is letter R. The name of the letter is R, and the sound of this letter is er, rose, rose. Next letter is letter S. The name of the letter is S, and the sound of this letter is s, s, sun, s, sun. Okay, children? Now, next letter is letter T. The name of this letter is T, and the sound of this letter is t, t, tree, t, tree. Okay, children? Now, you have to practice these sounds again and again. We'll meet in the next video with some more sounds. Till then, take care. Bye.